The ponies are playing near a magical waterfall. Suddenly, they are transported to an underwater kingdom and find themselves transformed into mermaids. Fluttershy. Softly, oh, it's so peaceful down here. Look at all the friendly fish swimming around us. I hope we find some adorable sea animals. I'd love to make friends with them. Look, there's a school of colorful fish. Aren't they beautiful? I wonder if there are any sea turtles around. They're such gentle creatures. Oh, I see a little crab hiding under that rock. Hello there, little friend. And please, if you enjoyed our adventure, subscribe to our channel for more magical moments. Applejack. Well, shucks. I never thought I'd be a mermaid. This is so cool. Maybe we can find some tasty seaweed snacks. I'm getting a bit hungry. I reckon we could use our tails to help each other swim faster. Teamwork, y'all. I'd love to see how sea farming works down here. Bet there's a lot to learn. Maybe we can find some underwater treasure. That'd be an adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up with all our exciting escapades, folks.
Please do subscribe.
Twilight Sparkle. Gasp, wow, look at us. We've turned into mermaids. This is amazing. Let's explore this underwater world together. There might be new friends and exciting adventures waiting for us. Let's stick together and see what we can discover. Ready, girls? I can't wait to learn about the magical properties of the sea. Imagine what we could discover. Let's map out this underwater kingdom. There might be hidden secrets. We should find out if there's an underwater library. Think of the knowledge we could gain. Be sure to subscribe so you can join us on all our learning adventures. Pinkie Pie. Giggles, this is the best day ever. I can do flips and twirls in the water. And I'll throw the biggest underwater party ever. We can invite all the sea creatures. We should play some underwater games. How about a shell collecting contest? I can't wait to make some seaweed cupcakes. They'll be a hit at our underwater party. Let's organize a conga line with the dolphins. It'll be so much fun. Subscribe to our channel for more party fun and exciting activities.
Please do subscribe.
Rarity. Oh my, these tails are simply fabulous. Look at the beautiful colors and sparkles. I'd love to find some beautiful seashells to make new accessories. Imagine the fashion possibilities. We could create a whole line of underwater-themed outfits. How chic! I hope we find some rare pearls. They would make exquisite jewelry. Maybe we can discover some unique sea flowers. They'd be perfect for my designs. Darling, don't forget to subscribe for more fabulous fashion and creative ideas. Rainbow. No way. Check out my fins. I can swim so fast. I bet I can race to that coral reef and back before you all can blink. This is the best adventure ever. I feel so free in the water. I wonder if there are any underwater sports we can try. That would be awesome. Let's see who can make the biggest splash. I bet I'll win. Hey, if you want to see more cool adventures, subscribe to our channel.
watching. Please do subscribe.